I select these bubbles and copy them with Ctrl and C. Then I return to the other one and pressing Ctrl and V, I place them here. Let's move them here for a better view. Then I go to Format, Shape Outline and choose white for a better contrast with the background. On the right side you see all the animations that I have already been copied with the bubbles. I'll arrange a little bit the bubbles and their animations. I drag these that are already selected above. I go to Animations and to the Animations pane. And I'll arrange the animations a little bit, so the animations will happen at different timings. I'll give this animation a bigger delay. I verify which objects are animated now by looking at the selected animations so that I don't make some mistakes. For now, I leave them like this. I'll see later if they start and proceed well. Then I select these two bubbles, copy them with Ctrl key and drag them here above. Then I make them smaller and arrange a little. I make them starting later. The second one, I'll give it a 2.40 delay. You can experiment a little bit with these timings. Okay, I want to verify this animation to see if it has sound attached to it. I go to Effect Options, then Sound, and there's nothing there, so I'll download another sound from the computer. I go to Other Sound and choose this sound. Okay, I also give this bubble the same sound. Good. So now I want to also verify if these animations have sound. Okay, this one has it. Okay, now I'll copy another bubble here. I place it here. Then I go to Format, Shape Outline and make its width smaller. For example, 1 point. I also make the bubble smaller and place it here. I'll change its timings. I go to Animations and give it a bigger delay. And here I do the same. I also copy this one and place it here. And again I give it a different delay. And I also copy these two bubbles, place them here and give them some delay. Let me verify a little bit to see if I'm at the right object. Yeah, it's okay. Good. I then arrange a little bit the animations to follow one another at the right time. I experiment a little with the timings now. Okay, let's see how all the animations look from the starting point. Great!